The battle for the skies is heating up. Here are the top 10 fighter jets of 2025. Machines that define power, precision, and the future of air combat. Number 10. Saab Gripen E, Sweden. Smart, agile, and affordable. The Gripen E is the underdog of the sky. Number 9. Dassault Rafale F4. France. Fast, elegant, and deadly. With upgraded radar and AI-assisted systems, the Rafale F4 dominates every mission, air or ground. Number 8. Eurofighter Typhoon Tranche 4. Europe. Pure speed meets technology. Armed with Meteor missiles and cutting-edge sensors, the Typhoon remains Europe's pride in aerial combat. Number 7. Sukhoi Su-57. Felon, Russia. A stealth fighter built for power and long-range strikes. Its agility and advanced missiles make it a fearsome opponent. Number 6. Chengdu J-20. Mighty Dragon, China, stealth, range, and intelligence. The J-20 is China's answer to fifth-generation dominance, a true symbol of its rise in the skies. Number 5. FFC A-18 Super Hornet Block 30, USA. Reliable, modernized, and carrier-ready. The Block 3 Hornet brings digital upgrades and years of proven combat experience. Number 4. F-15EX Eagle Tick, USA. Raw power meets precision. The F-15EX carries more weapons than any fighter alive. A modern beast of the sky. Number 3. KF-21 Borami, South Korea. A rising star. Blending stealth design and high-speed performance, the KF-21 is proof that innovation knows no borders. Number 2. F-35 Lightning II. Say. The world's most connected jet. It doesn't just fight. It commands the entire battlefield. A flying computer disguised as a warplane. Number 1. NGAD-H F/AXX USA. The future is already airborne. The NGAD represents the next generation,